Hi everyone! Welcome back to our vlog! Ayan, so, as we celebrate our 5th anniversary, we booked a staycation via Facebook. Lalagay ko na lang sa comment section or sa description kung saan kami nag-book. And, it's located sa Shore Residences, Tower D, dito sa may Pasay. Malapit siya sa MOA, sa NAIA. Ayan, so this is the unit looks like. Since staycation siya, may kasama na siyang mga utensils so that you can bring your own food para pwede kayong magluto at mas makatipid kayo. So, they have rice cooker, electric cooker, ang tawag doon? Kettle, then casserole, may kawali din. And then, complete din sila ng plates, and glasses, kutsara, tinidor. And then, here is the restroom. Meron din siyang automatic washing machine. And that's me. Tapos, ito itsura ng liguan. Meron din siyang hot and cold. And then, this is the living room. Meron ding microwave. Meron ding refrigerator. Ayan, may dala kaming food. And then, the sofa. Yan. Tapos, TV. And then, sa dulo is, there's a room. One bedroom unit nga pala ito. And then, it's queen size. And this unit is good for 4 packs. Ayan. Kaya may extra foam sa taas. And then, pagkabukas mo, may balcony. And then, here's the pool. Ayan. For a day, it costs 150 pesos per head. So, ayan. Sa unit owner na rin kayo bibili nung para sa pool fee. Ayan. So, we booked overnight and it costs 2,800 pesos. So, plus 300 para dun sa aming pool entrance. Ayan. So, the next day na yan, nag-tour around lang kami para mapakita sa inyo other amenities na yun. So, pwede rin ito sa mga may kids kasi meron silang playground, meron din silang kiddie pool, meron ding gym, and it's super maluwag. May gym pa. Ang ganda talaga may slide-an. So, I forgot to tell earlier na direct to pool access yung aming nabook na unit so that, ayun, tatalon ka na lang, diba? So, nice. And, may security deposit pala siya na 1,000 pesos. Pero, pagka-check out nyo, and then, pag na-check ng cleaner na wala naman kayong nasirang anything sa unit, agad-agad naman isi-send back sa GCash nyo yung security deposit na 1,000 pesos. And then, meron din siyang reservation fee na 1,000. Then, ibabawas na yon sa total ng inyong babayaran. Bali, nag-check-in kami ng 2 p.m. and then we check out ng the next day ng 12 noon. Again, it's only 2,800 overnight kapag weekdays yun. I'm not sure lang kapag weekends. But you can check with Miss Chona. Madali naman po siyang kausap. Siya na yung pinakamurang nakita ko na direct to pool access. So, yung iba, it ranges 3,300 up to 4,000. So, medyo pricey siya talaga for direct to pool access. Tingin ko hanggang meron pa doon sa yun yung sabi niya rin sa ganyan, pero hindi na there sa pool. Yung pool nga pala is accessible from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. only. So, strict sila doon. And may mga nag-room around din na security para i-check kung meron ka ba talagang what they call this, wristband na may access ka sa pool. So, mahigpit sila. Ayan, so we book via Facebook. Ang Facebook page nila is SGP Staycation Services by Chona. Tapos may Miss Chona doon na nakalagay. And then, ilalagay ko na lang dito sa screen yung phone number nila. And yeah, pwede nyo silang kontakin doon. And the service was good. Tsaka accommodating, madaling kausap. So, yun lang. Till our next vlog. Bye!